Welcome to another video by LX6 Engines Tuning and Marine. In this video I'm trying to get a 5.7 Mercruiser V8 boat prepped and ready for the owner to pick up. Keep running into some snags. So as I was putting this outdrive back on the boat, I noticed there was oil coming out the hole where the inlet for the water pump is. You can see oil coming out there and dripping all over the place, and coming out front too. So I went ahead and pulled this outdrive out, the lower unit out, the gear housing, to see if I can find the leak. And so the leak, I found the leak. It is coming out of, at least I think it is. There's only two places it can come from, and that's right up in there. That's where this drive shaft right here, that's the drive shaft. It's a spline drive shaft. And it fits right up in that hole right there. And there's oil coming out right there. It's dripping, which is dripping obviously because the shaft's out. But that and this hole right here, this hole right here is the passage from the gear oil in the upper housing into the lower gear housing. That's where the oil gets from up in here down to the lower part, and that's the patch for that. That didn't seem to be leaking, so the only place I can think of is the only other source of oil is that seal right up in there. So I'm going to have to replace that seal, and to do that I'm going to have to pull this entire outdrive back off. And in the process I'll go ahead and clean all this stuff out of here, the old oil and dirt and stuff anyway. But I'll get a new seal for this, I'll get a new seal there, and then get seals for that drive shaft. But this is for the most part, this is a showstopper for getting this thing done, at least on this day. It's late in the day, and I've got the engine running, but can't go any further the way it is. So we're going to go ahead and pull this outdrive off tonight and get it off, so we can at least have them in pieces and ready to put the thing back together when we get the parts. There's a local marine shop nearby. I can possibly run tomorrow and get the seals. This is the Alpha 1 outdrives are very popular, so he probably has the parts to fix this. So I'll check with them tomorrow. That shop is Randall Marine in Phoenix City, Alabama, in case anybody wants to know. I use them a lot when I need some parts. But that's the story. Not gonna be able to finish today. Gotta fix this outdrive, put the seals back in, and put it back together. But at least the motor's running. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the videos.